Hello everyone, it's Frances with your Book of Memories. I've created another cute little scrapbook and I can't wait to share it. Welcome in, friends. Thank you so much for joining me for this little project share. And if you're new, it's absolutely wonderful to have you here with us. Thanks for spending some of your time to hang out. I created this mini album / folio storage box scrapbook and I'm so unbelievably excited to share it using the Paper Studio Black and White Botanics that I actually just got from Hobby Lobby. And right here on the front cover I've got a cute little Polaroid acetate little feature right there where you can just slip your picture behind. I've just got a quick little stamped photo mat in there and you could definitely just stick your picture right there. And I fussy cut around this cute little flower out of one of the papers. And here's the spine, that cute stripe paper, and a wonderful assortment of all these cute little yellow and pink happy flowers. I just love it so much. Right here on the front inside cover you have this giant spot for a nice big picture. Again, I fussy cut around that and stuck it there. I'll leave the tutorial name down in the description, and if you've never taken a class with me before you can check out the one here free on YouTube, or I'll even leave this one up here and you can get 25% off a subscription. So when you become a subscriber you get instant access to every single class I've ever created in my career. So right now that's like 60 different tutorials on different design books, folios, mini albums, little boxes, big boxes, you name it. We just have an absolute blast. I actually have this clear sticker right here from Hobby Lobby as well, and I just stuck it right over the acetate again. So this is called my classy album. We actually built this particular design in the live class. We have a beautiful gusseted pocket here, as you can see. It's inside that acetate. It unclicks right here. We got a magnet on the back. And look how pretty, oh my goodness. This little deconstructed mini album folio just kind of pops right out at you. And here's the back of that. And I of course could have laid the ribbon underneath that paper, but this was my prototype. But I think it turned out good enough to share with you today. So you could really stuff anything you want in that pocket. We do have more room, but this is the main feature right here. So our live class was a blast. It was the first one I ever did during the summertime. Cute little fussy cut image here. We have a band magnetic that just folds down, and then again an acetate little window there, and a perfect spot for a picture right here. The live class is a complete 16 hours of raw unedited film. What an adventure. And then this opens up and we have more picture space, of course. I've got some squares right here. You could doodle on the back, journal on the back, put pictures of where you went, and I even have a cute little couple tags in here. With some journaling lines, of course, I can't help myself. I did have a fresh class, which is beginners, and then I had a seasoned class, which was for our friends that have been scrapbooking for a while. We got two pockets right here. Picture space, journaling space, front and back. And these stickers I actually got from my mom. She got them at Dollar Tree and I thought they were so cute. This opens up again. And so the season class went a little smoother, but there's so many little fun shares throughout the adventure of that live class where we created this book together, and it was one of the funnest things I've done. Here's a cool pocket. This 5x7 photo mat just comes right out. And there's a flap right here with picture space down here. And I could just tuck that 5x7 photo mat right back here. And more picture space right here. And then there's like a little mini album on the very back here. As you can see, I have these cute little slots to put pictures. And these Dollar Tree stickers are way too cute. Oh my gosh, this is an acetate little flap right here. And a cute little Polaroid spot. Got a couple stickers right there. I've been practicing hand lettering, so I just fussy cut around my own little words. I used a little calligraphy marker and I just rolled with it. Oh my gosh, it's so fun. So because there's no cut aparts or anything that comes with the Paper Studio paper packs, I kind of just, went into my stash and started playing. And this is what I came up with. And that flips again and we have a beautiful little place. The sprinkle page, I just can't. Here's a close-up on the sprinkle page. Okay, blessed, I just handwrote that again. I'm in love with the watercolor smudging, and everything just folds back beautifully. Oh my goodness, again, here's that acetate page. You can even doodle it up with some chalk marker or anything it is that you have at home. This one closes up, and then these two. I just had so much fun teaching this class, and my partner actually was with me through the live class journey, and it was a blast. If you ever have any questions, you can always email me at yourbookofmemories@gmail.com. And I always leave my favorite supply list down below on everything it takes to make my books, which is super, super simple. And I'll leave those down in the description for you as well. Thank you everyone so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.